speed, cause I'm of a love, I don't play with my emotions. If I'm feeling some pain, then maybe I just might show it.
I've got my spine in line. Got my hands in my lap. Got my heart in the sky. Now allow your eyes to gently close. And this is your time right now. No judgment, just try again. Our Mindful Life Project Assemblies are innovative, engaging ways for whole school ecosystems to be able to learn mindfulness, understand the brain science, do some practices, and really be engaged through our mindful hip-hop and mindful music so kids can learn the lyrics, learn the songs, learn mindfulness through the music, and leave inspired to create daily practice and be inspired to create whole school ecosystems where mindfulness and compassion are part of the daily experience. Mindful Life Project Assemblies are done virtually or in person. They're great ways for schools to engage in mindfulness for the first time, or even have schools that have been doing mindfulness for a long time. Please reach out to us at mindfullifeproject.org to host your assembly with us soon.